Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have variety fun for April. Do you want to know what snacks I'll be snacking on this month? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so again, April's variety fun just arrived, and this couldn't have arrived at the best time, especially right now where it's really hard to go out to stores to get stuff and things are sold out. This is now going to be more of an important type box because it's going to keep snacks in your household. So let's go ahead and see what is in this month, and then I can tell you all about the pricing and all of that good stuff, because they do have two different boxes. One's a healthier option, and then one is the snacks that we all know and love, and that's what I get. So let's go ahead and cut this tape. It's double taped, so it's thicker. All right, so let's see here. There's my snacks on snacks on snacks. And oh my goodness, I see one that I absolutely love, which are these right here. Have you guys tried these yet? If you haven't, they're amazing. The white cheddar ones are super, super good. These are popcorners. I love these things, so I'm gonna definitely hide this bag because I want this one for myself. So there's item number one. Now we have Kettle brand potato chips, backyard barbecue. Ooh, those sound amazing. Funyuns, these are my favorites. Funyuns, you got Funyuns. We have white cheddar Cheez-Its, and then we have the regular Cheez-Its that are Scrabble. Ooh, we have two of the Scrabble guys. And then the white cheddar. We have Ruffles cheddar and sour cream. These have become one of my new favorites. So there's that one. If you guys haven't tried these are amazing. Here's my favorite Doritos, Cool Ranch. They get so many good snacks, you guys. This is just amazing. So here's Andy Capes hot fries. There's that. We have two breakfast bars, which again, all this stuff is going to be coming in handy because it's harder and harder to get food in this house. So we have blueberry and apple cinnamon. This one's my favorite out of this brand, but I'll try the blueberry one. That sounds really good. Now we have these pure banana, and we have mini pretzels, Snyder's mini pretzels. We have good old Abby cookies. Aww, Miss Abby. We have Abby cookie shortbread and chocolate chip. I think of Abadabs every time I get these. We have vanilla wafers. I don't think I've ever got these in there. Ooh, we have some more Cheez-Its, which is fine because I love Cheez-Its. I love a lot of snacks. Here's another thing of the mini pretzels. We have Zoo animal crackers. Two of those, and these are filled. There's a lot of them in those. We have Scooby-Doo Scooby Snack graham crackers. Oh, wait, we have more Cheez-Its, but these are just the original. These are not the Scrabble version. Now we have is a 6-pack of Oreos. So there's some Oreos. Oh, here's more breakfast bars. Thank goodness, because now I have some more, might get more breakfast stuff. Yay! Okay, here's one more apple cinnamon. So there's two apple cinnamon. There's two more blueberry. So there's there's 3 blueberry and 2 apple cinnamon. There's 5 of breakfast bars total, which, like I said, I'm totally glad to have. Now we have some animal crackers. We have fruit roll-ups. Ooh, are these Twizzlers? Yes, we have some Twizzlers. We have 3 of those. Here's another fruit roll-up. This one is a pure coconut. And then, ooh, these are really good. These are the chocolate almond and sea salt. We have the oats and honey. These are really, really good. We have 2 of the real peanut butter. We have a peanut butter that's on the cheddar cracker. We have the sweet and salty peanut by Nature Valley. And then we have the fruit and nut trail mix one. And then we have 2 of the Sour Patch Kids right there. And then we have one Welch's fruit snacks. So that is everything that came in this April box, you guys. And again, I'm super glad that there's more breakfast type snacks in here as well. So at least now I can have something just to have a little snack in the morning. And then here's all these snacks that we can snack on during the month as well. This box though, you can get once a month or you can get twice a month. It all depends on you. So if you have a lot of kids at home or you do daycare or sports or parties or anything like that, this is an amazing box to have because there's a mixture of all snacks. So you're not having to buy one of this, one of this, one of this, and just have all this overstock or tons of them that maybe you don't like. This is just a huge variety. So I'm sure there's going to be something for everybody that comes in these boxes. So I tell you, these are my snacks on snacks on snacks. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the pricing and stuff for those that want to know the pricing. I have so many snacks on my desk right now. So if you use code SheCrafty30, you will get 30% off your first month's box, which is amazing. I have a 30% off coupon now. SheCrafty30 will get you that 30% off. So with this, they also donate. They also donate thousands of snacks to families in need, which is amazing. Now, Variety Fun is a snack subscription service that delivers an assortment of delicious snacks to your home and office. Every month, our team curates a snack box with a variety of tasty cookies, chips, candy, crackers, pretzels, popcorn, and nuts from all your favorite brands. With classic and healthy options available, there's something for everyone. So the snack subscription service is available in bi-weekly or monthly delivery option with free shipping and no commitment. With over 500 varieties of snacks, including both in classic and healthy options. Now, the two different options is the Fun Box, which is this one. It comes with 40 classic snacks. That brings it to about 62 cents per snack, and it's $24.99 per box. So if you do it once a month, then it would be per month. But if you do it twice a month, then you'll have two different payments in the month, depending on when you want it. And it's free shipping. The Fit Box, which would be premium healthy options, including kettle chips, Think Jerky, Skinny Pop, Laura bars, RX bars, and more. That's $39.99 with free shipping per box, and it can do it once a month or twice a month. That brings it to about $1.33 per snack. So snack boxes are great for packing lunches, game nights, road trips, parties, and to keep in your pantry for everyday snacking. And right now is really, really good to have this type of an option delivered to your door, because then you don't have to go to the store and you can stay home, nice, safe, healthy, where you belong. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Comment down below, what did you think of this month's snack box? I really do enjoy this month more. Not that it's more than others, but I like that they put in some more breakfast snacks and a lot of other varieties with the chips and the cookies and everything like that. You always get a huge variety, but I like that there's more breakfast stuff this time because of what's going on currently. So yeah. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.